Morning, guys. I'm getting into reloading. I got my 338 Lapua, and it's serious money to shoot that sucker, so I'm going to start reloading. And I looked at a lot of reviews, and I found that this one is really highly rated. Comes with a phone app, so that you can actually look at it on your phone and zero it out and do other things with it. It's really, really accurate. It's got a little dump station here, so you can dump the powder out of the reservoir. It's got a powder calibration feature, and this is the Frankfort Arsenal. This is actually very, very highly rated. It's got, like I said, got the Bluetooth. It's got the powder calibration feature on there. It also has an integrated bubble level, and it is right there. You can see a little bubble level. It also has, this is backlit, and has leveling feet, so you can level them. They're all independent. It's not very big. You can see the dimensions on it here. It's 11.25 by 12.25, 7 inches by 2 inches. And the total height is 11.25. That's what the total height. And then you got the tube holder up here that will hold a little bit over a pound of powder. It has a tare calibration weights. There's 2 of them on there. And you set one, and then you set the tare, and you set it again, and it's like you do it. It's in a 2-stage system. You actually use both weights and to impart precise accuracy. And it has an anti-airflow cover here. And what that does is air will, like an air conditioner or a fan or something that you have in your room, it can cause the powder to trickle out of the little tube here, this little trickle tube. And you can not get as accurate as you need to. And it is important when you're doing that. It's very important that you have an accurate powder measure so that you can get your thing in there. You can see it's not very big. That's my hand. It covers the box. I can actually grab the box with one hand. Once I get it opened, I'm not a big unboxing person because I do this with one hand. By the time I set up a camera and I do everything in here, I've got so much stuff packed into my den here. It's unreal. I've got my bench over there, and I've got all this other things going on, and it's just a cluster. And there's my little Groot statue. He's my pen holder. But yeah, I'll once I get it set up and I get my shooting station set up, I'll do a further video on this. But this is the Frankfort Arsenal reloading powder measure scale. It's all built into one. So for precise and accurate reloading. And again, it does have the app. This is Frosty, guys. Thanks for watching, and please think about subscribing. Leave a comment. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs down. If you like my videos, please let me know. I'm just putting it on here for your all's benefit, and I will go over, once I get set up, how everything works on here. I'm trying to keep this under 4 minutes, so that's it. I'm Frosty, and I'm out.